Viewing sound.
Although one of the owners of these bad wine, consider doing it for the good of the school. Last call for wine.
I literally walked over here. So I actually got this from my band shot a music video a couple months ago, and okay, well then I think end of November is the next one we have so far. So I will definitely show you. So we have two. I don't remember which one first. There's Shapeshifter Lab, which is in Parcel. That's pretty close where you are. And the other one's in Rockwood Hall, which is Manhattan. I think Shapeshifter's after the second. I think that's like early December. I think it's on you. I think it's on Union because it was. I think so. Yeah, because it was. Yeah, that's where like. I know it used to be somewhere else. But like yeah. We had like a Bloodborne themed music video. So it was just yeah. So I know. Yeah, so we rented out this recording studio. And they just let us. How many guys do announcements? We did last year. And I think it's yeah. And now we're working on another one. So it's like Steve Harvey and my brother Sam on the bass. My bandmate, Mateo, she does I'm not asking so I never see it's just like, so cool. So we're hoping to get that out in November. Further down, right? Yeah, but it's like from I think it's a Saturday. But I think we're playing on the 7. It's a Saturday. Yeah. I think other days it might be. Yeah. I think it's Saturday. Yeah. I think that's no, that's right. Rock the Music Hall is Thursday. One of my bandmates is like, it's pretty cool. Nobody showed up. But I had fun. That was like my one bandmate was but she was like, but she was just like, I can't do the Saturday show. They suggested 12 a.m. She's like, I have to be back in Connecticut. Very fun with it. A little bit. We went to, we played last month. That was good. We got a good turnout. Earlier this summer, like in the summer, we did we went to like this place called where we used to go there for a week. It's middle of nowhere in New Hampshire. Just like don't have to wish it was my I wish it was my fucking wife. I'm only allowed to go for a week, but I want that to be my wife. And then you got your wife. Oh my god. My brother used to live in that town. But he had a bike I was like, oh my god, this guy. Okay, no. That's why this guy rocks. Yeah, there's like I mean, like it's not a farm. It's
Like her dad bought the building for her.
Get off Twitter. Alright, good. I used to get I'm surprised you didn't my friend. I'm alright. That's his fucking man. But no, he was great. However, he was brain poisoned on Twitter, not Reddit. So he is a spiritually a Reddit guy, but not yes. But he never made the league.
It was, I feel like that guy
he pays people to do this.
it was Bon Jovi. That one night I was there for lockdown. Yeah, you did.
Last night, I was out with two people. One guy was just like, first of all, I don't want to say anything because I don't say anything. Also, I'm trying to eat. Really, like, I was come on. I mean,